In today's video, I will walk you through how to enter opening balances in QuickBooks Online. Start by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, locate the account where you want to enter the opening balance. You can select an existing account or create a new account if necessary. After selecting the account, look for the field labeled Opening Balance. This is where you'll enter the starting balance for the account. Enter the correct opening balance amount into the field. Review the amount you've entered and make sure it accurately reflects the starting balance for the account. Once the opening balance is entered and you've checked the information, save your changes by selecting the Save button. Your opening balance is now entered for the selected account in QuickBooks Online. If you need to enter an opening balance for another account, return to the Chart of Accounts and select the appropriate account. Then enter the opening balance in the opening balance field and save the changes. The process starts with the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Chart of Accounts and locate the account you want to update. Choose the existing account or create a new account if needed. Next, find the opening balance field and enter the correct amount. Review the amount carefully, then select Save to store the change. That's all it takes to enter an opening balance in QuickBooks Online. By following this process, you can add the starting balance to the appropriate account and save the updated information in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.